Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2019 Civic SR. Now of course this is the 1 litre petrol, and as you can see it does come with LED daytime running lights and 4 front parking sensors. Walking around the car as well, I will go into each of these 17-inch alloy wheels as standard as well. I will walk into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of the design pattern that you do get with these alloys. But moving around to the rear now, we've got 4 rear parking sensors and a reversing camera, which is just tucked just up here. Moving into the tailgate now, as you can see, we have also got plenty of room in here, including 60-40 split flat folding rear seats, and they do fold flat with this level just here. Moving around the car again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we've got full cloth black interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. We've then got full electric windows all round. Jumping inside now, just showing you the center console. We have got your electric handbrake with brake hold. We've got your economy mode and your stop start just there. We've got a 6-speed manual gearbox with your dual climate control, which can be operated via the touchscreen display. And then we do also have your satellite navigation. We've got your Bluetooth hands-free. And then we do also have your various audio sources just here. Moving over to the steering wheel now. As you can see on the left hand side, we've got your volume button, onboard computer control, voice assistant and Bluetooth hands-free. The arrows here work between your infotainment system and your onboard computer. We've then got cruise control and speed limiter on the right hand side with your lane keep assist and distance control. We've got automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this car has done 23,631 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Civic SR, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and our sales team will be more than happy to provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.